Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, towing package, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2011 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.